Hello everyone, welcome back to Unbox Grid. Today we are looking at how to charge an Apple iPad pencil. So now in front of you, you have Apple iPad and an Apple pencil. Now this is a Gen 2 pencil, and mind well, this pencil gets connected via Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth is not turned on, it won't get connected. The very first thing is that. Second thing, the charging and the connectivity of Bluetooth is one and the same. So now let me check whether the Bluetooth is turned on or not. So let me check, it is turned on for now. Okay, so now to charge the pencil, just pick up the pencil and put it on the top of the iPad. Now this should show you that the Apple pencil is connected and it is now charging. So this is how easy it is to get the pencil connected as well as getting it charged. But to test the pencil whether it's connected or not, let me pick up the pencil and check on the screen itself. It should start working. So earlier the pencil was disconnected and now it's connected and on charge as well. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.